So we're gonna start with Jordan 4 grade school University Blue, and this one we sold it for 230, and it's supposed to be down here. Oh yeah, last one, 6.5. It's right there. So ito siya, Jordan 4 University Blue, at ang retail niya is 150. And I've been holding this one for a while because I knew the price was gonna go up, and yep, it's starting to come out. So you know, ang ganda ng kulay niya, di ba? So we sold this for 230 after the fees ng goat. So halos mga nasa 70 to 80 dollars return of profit. So ayan. Next one, we're gonna look for the Air Max 270, and is the size 10. It's right here. And then we're gonna look for the Jordan 1 grade school 5.5 Jordan 1 mid pollen. There we go. Let me show you this Jordan 1 mid grade school pollen. Yep, I knew the price of this one is worth the wait for them to hold on a little bit. $95 nga pala ang retail nito, at nabenta natin ng 122. So it's worth the wait. And then Air Max 270 React, ang retail nito is 160. Nakuha ang price sa Nike Factory is $69.97 minus 30%. So ang profit natin dyan is malaki-laki rin. Mga nasa 30 to 35% return of investment because we sold it for 77. Alright, so next one, we sold a multiple pair of this Air Presto. So marami tayong stock niyan. Here we go, we got multiple pairs of orders of the Nike Air Presto Comet Red. So yan. Ang retail nga pala nito is 130, pero nabenta natin yan ng 110. So malit lang ang kita natin dito. So may iba akong purpose kung bakit ako namili ng ganito karami. At dahil nga rin sinasabi ko ngayon sa Tagalog, dahil nagpapaboost up ako ng points sa mga kababayan natin dyan. Ito ang isa sekreto ko pag nagpapabuild up ako ng points sa flex points. Ito yung binibili ko, kasi nga kahit na konti lang ang kita ko, hindi ako lugi, tumataas yung points ko. Mga $10 lang ang kita ko nito, okay na. Basta importante kumita ako, tapos yung flex points ko dumadami na rin. So sa mga kababayan natin dyan, kapag nakita nyong nag-sale ito, wag yung retail, wag yung retail, kasi ang retail nito is 130. Kapag nag-sale ito, kuha kayo kasi mabilis lumabas to. Basta yung colorway lang na magaganda. Wag yung masyadong halo-halong colorway. Mga two-tone lang, tama na yun, okay na yun. So yun ang tip natin sa mga kababayan natin dyan na gustong nagpapaboost ng flex points nila. Ito yun. Next one, we're gonna look for this Women's Zoom Pegasus Turbo. It should be somewhere around here. Ito siya. Yun. Oh. $49.97 nga pala ang kuha natin nito. Pero problema, hindi na naman natin update yung listing. 7.5, 7.5. But the one we sold is size 7, man. Oh no. So we're gonna need to cancel the order then. I messed up with the inventory again. Yep. So Women's Zoom Pegasus, ito siya. Wala yan. Okay na to. Okay yan. Okay yan. Meron na to. Okay. Next one, we're gonna look for the Women's Air Force 1 Flyknit size 8. This one. Okay, I think it's somewhere around here. There we go. Women's like Flyknit work boots. Okay, here we go. women's LF Flyknit work boots. Nabili natin yan ng $39.97. Tapos may additional 30% off. Ang retail nga pala nito is $200. Tingnan mo. That's a huge discount. So there you go. Ayan oh. Deep burgundy na Flyknit. Maganda naman siya. Kung meron sana akong size nito, okay, ito pang winter na pang slash cold something, pero Flyknit eh. So yun, nabenta nga pala natin yan ng $85. So $39.97 minus yung 30% off, and we sold it for $85. Alright, let's ship it out. And then next one, ito Air Max 2017 10.5. Should be somewhere around here. Okay, ito yung ano niya, Hyper Royal yun, pero 8.5. wala nang 10.5. man, again I need to keep up with the inventory. So another one we're gonna cancel out is the Air Max 2017, and I knew this one also. And next one is Air Max 270 React na grade school. Ito siya, 7Y. Hay, nako, wala na naman. It's sold out again. 6.5. I'm out of 6.5. That's Blazer, not the React. So we're sold out of the Air Max 270 grade school. What else? We're gonna look for this one, Jordan 1 mid, another the grade school, and I remember this cord zoom. I think I already sold out on that one as well. So let's look on the Jordan 1 mid. So this is the one, white block green. Siya yan. Asan ang size 7? Wala na naman. Man, I really messed up with my inventory. So I don't have the size 7. I don't have this one, the cord zoom vapor. I'm out. I'm also out of this Air Max 270, Air Max 2017. Let's see. This one, All-Star Weekend low. Okay, it's supposed to be somewhere around here. Yun siya. Size 8, 9. Nakaw. Yung size ko is size 10. Date is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's 8 out of 15. I messed up with the inventory. Man, that's a waste. Sayang yun, no? Alright, one more thing. Yung size 10.5 na Jordan 1 mid. Ito yun, All-Star Weekend. Okay, welcome to the collection. So ito dapat ang stand out ko, no? Air Jordan 1 mid SE All-Star 2021 All-Star Weekend. So nandito siya. Ayun. So ayun nga mangyayari. Collection ko dapat to eh. Dapat collection ko to eh. Okay, so ayan siya. Magkano ang retail nito? Ang retail nga pala nito is $125. Tapos benta natin siya ng $161 sa GOAT. Yeah. I'm just gonna let it go. Yep, I'm gonna send it. Okay, yun. So kahit na sinabi natin na i-keep sana natin to na pang personal, well, madami pa naman dyan eh. So at least meron naman na tayong kinita sa mga ibang shoes na lang. So ganun talaga, sometimes kahit na sinabi natin na ikikip natin sa personal, yeah, we said it, we wanted to make it personal, but hey, some shoes might gonna come out and I might gonna like them better than this one. So I think it's just me admiring it. I admired already. I really wanted to have it on my foot, but then I want the profit just in case the next drop, the next shoe is much more better. Mas gusto ko yon, and then meron na akong profit, meron na akong shoes na gagamitin kaysa naman hindi ko magamit yung iba, mga ganun, tapos yun, yeah, kagaya na rin nito, gaya nito, hindi ko pa nagagamit to pero malaking discount na nakuha ko dyan. So yeah, I really want to have to keep it on for the collection, but maybe next time I'll just gonna let it go, because some shoes might gonna come out that I might gonna like it rather than this one. So I'll just take the profit and move on. Ayun, may pahabol na nabenta yung Jordan 5 na steel. So ito na nga, Jordan 5. Nag-iisa lang naman to 7Y na Hyper Royal Stilt. Retail nga pala nito is 140. So kinuha ko to sa finish line yata, or so sa Foot Locker, hindi ko matandaan pero ang kuha ko nito is 140 nga, tapos I think nakuha ko yata to sa Foot Locker, I think. So ang purpose ko lang naman dito, it's just to build up the points with the flex points, since it is $140 and then I sold it for $199. So at least I still making at least somewhere $45 return of investment, holding on them, and then I'll get the flex points to build up the account. So another tip that you could do with these Jordans, just to build up your points. And you know, Jordans retros are still going out, and also make sure they are, and also some of them are good, especially in grade school. So there we go.